What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the EOS token on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm logged in my account on coinbase.com, and after that you can select the option buy and sell right on the top corner. Click on it and now you can select the purchasing frequency. As you can see, I have selected the one-time purchase, but if you would like to purchase it with a different frequency like a daily, weekly, twice a month or a monthly option, select it in the list, and after that you can fill in the amount of fiat, the euros or dollars you would like to use for this purchase. I'm using 2 euros, and now we can select the asset we would like to buy, and that is the EOS token. Tick it in and it will appear in this list. After that you can select it, and now we can select the wallet we would like to use for the payment of the tokens. I'm using my Euro wallet, but if you click on it, you will open a list with available options. If you live in another country, you probably have another option. If you don't see any options, then add a payment method by clicking this button below. After that you can select the option and we can click on review order. Now Coinbase will show us some information about the purchase we are going to make. As you can see, I'm buying 1.64 coins. The amount we are spending is €1.01 on this coin. The Coinbase fee is 99 cents. And the total amount we are spending is the 2 euros we have filled in the previous overview. They also give you an option to invest on a weekly base. If you select the button below, then this option of a weekly base option will be bought, and you can cancel it at any time. If you want to buy the coins, click on buy now and the coins will be added directly to your Coinbase wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. Bye bye!